Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create agency on Boloup. The steps are actually easy and simple. You can actually do this in two ways. The first is to get the username of any agency on your Boloup app and send a message to that person. The second way you can actually do this is by clicking on the Me option on your Boloup app. So right here, you're going to see an option that says create agency. Click on it. So right here, you can see you already have a problem type to be agency and host. Problem details, create agency. So all you have to do here is to type in your request politely. You can type in the agency you want to become an agency on Boloup. You try to be polite with your request. But if you actually want to join an agency of any other person, you can just also make the request and also add the person's host number and the agency level. You can also upload the agency photo if you have any, contact info of yourself, and also you enter your account number, your Boloup account number. The next thing you have to do is to these details. So Boloup is going to give you a reply if you will be accepted to become an agency on Boloup within 24 hours. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to create agency on Boloup. Creating agency on Boloup is quite good and gives you opportunity to have more friends on Boloup. Also, there are exclusive benefits that goes with it, like receiving gifts from your team. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to create agency on Boloup. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.